I have here our plant lights, and they ran off of a battery, a 1280W LiFePO4 100 amp hour battery by GREENOE. And we're going to connect it up to a control panel and hook the battery up. The battery runs in cool weather, 40 degrees up to 105 degrees. It has BEC protection and more. So let's get going, show you what it's about. We have solar controllers indoors, weather resistance for outside, a solar panel on the roof, out in the back for camping, hiking, boating, and more. We have a LiFePO4 battery, comes with an instruction guide, go over it in detail. It is a 12 volt, 1280 watt system. It could charge a refrigerator, meaning it could run a refrigerator, a washer, dryer, things like so, with an inverter for 110 volts for X amount of minutes to hours. What we're going to be doing is setting up for a plant light in the kitchen, placing the battery in a well-ventilated area. These batteries can be put on the side and more. You'll get some bolts. It has a handle, packaged by foam for protection, weighs about 20 plus pounds. So if you're looking to get into solar power with batteries, and you have the correct connectors and spade connectors and so forth, strip your negative, place on, and crimp down. Negative and positive. Easily just make your connections. Remove the positive and negative caps, as well as placing on your screws. In this setup, we also have this 12 volt USB adapter with the PD20 that we run the fan off of the solar grid. We have our connections here, and what we're going to do is use these special connectors, and we're going to attach all three to splice our positives and our negatives and to the controller. Over here, the special plugs. And all we need to do is just put the battery on and then put our solar panel up. So if you're running a motor, anything imaginable, an inverter, you can hook up just about anything imaginable to battery power. So screw down your terminals, lock it down. As you can see, the lights flickering as it comes on. What we'll do is we'll make sure everything's nice and tight. And we have there is 12.6 volts. And now we're ready to go to our next step and hook up our solar panel to the system. We have our leads over here already made up into the solar panel. And we connect positive to positive, negative to negative. Once all connected, we choose on our controller LiFePO4 battery, and we're charging 12.6 volts, 75%. If you would have taken note on the side over here, now we have our power hooked up, the blue light, and our fan in the off position, charging. This will hit 100% in a number of hours and run 24/7 with no issues. Chargers, 110 to DC, 20 amp chargers to charge your battery in a number of hours or off the grid. The option is up to you. GREENOE, the LiFePO4 battery, 12 volts. They have circuit protection. I hope you enjoy your battery, no matter how you use your battery. I have LED lights on the side that come on at nighttime and plant lights that light up. We'll show you the plant light and set it up. The plant lights are in off the LiFePO battery. They simply turn on and we can set up for 8 hours. In the morning, we'll set this up and we have our plant lights all ready to go. And that is how we run solar. Solar power can run anything imaginable as long as the battery is allowed to run. A solar panel, a controller, and battery completes your off-the-grid experiments. Enjoy your products if this is what you are after in a LiFePO4 battery.